Today we have arrived at this new place called Rainforest Wild Asia. It's a zoo in Singapore. First impression. With all the first animals we see are these monkeys. Okay, from what I know, to get to climb this kind of like, what is this called, mountains, it's like $175 if I'm not wrong per person. So I didn't get that add-on, so we just walk around and see only.
Insects, even though I don't want to see it.
Oh, my coffee is ready. Hold on. Okay, coffee is here. So we just now only came here. That's what we saw. And we are here now, but the whole park is this big. This whole place reminds me of Australian Blue Mountains and 12 Apostles. So I think
Blue Mountains and 12 Apostles are different places.
yeah, I know it's different places, but like it's like they took the best out of all places in Australia and brought it all together in one Rainforest Wild Asia Zoo. Hi, deers. They are so cute. Wow, I feel like a very big adventure.
Okay, I know that one. They definitely made this zoo more interesting. Of course, the old zoo was really old. It was since the 60s, if I'm not wrong. So this one is a really good one. There's a lot of trails to walk. Of course, it's very man-made, but you know, it's child-friendly and elderly people friendly. So this is good. And they made it in a way it's very compact. But we haven't seen anything other than deer and monkeys at the moment. So we're gonna explore as much as we can today in this park. Highway to the danger zone. Highway to the danger zone.
Wow. Come everybody. It's a show. Oh. I'm so happy we came here. Thank you, Mommy, for buying tickets.
Pray for the tiger. The tigers wrote it with their tail.
Oh yeah.
That's the tiger.
Wow, actually good apartments for tigers.
Not bad. They got a waterfall feature, swimming pool, free lunch.
You wanna go?
Oh, sorry. Dun, dun. Hello.
Alright, we came to this place called Food Court, and we see that the prices here are extreme, not the food court prices for sure. $17.90 for chicken rice, that's a robbery really. I mean, I get it that they just put like one eatery here and they want to get as much pay as as they can, but honestly, this is just crazy. It's too much. But I like this fountain here, or waterfall here. That's quite clever, interesting. Haven't seen this before. I wanted to get myself at least a cup of fruits, right? And even the coconut is $8.90. Whew. The good part about this food court here is the playground.
Go.
This first time ever. Wow. Wow. What is the date today? 16th of March 2025. First time Steven ate lettuce.
Oh, bouncy.
Hi. Wow, look at you. Wow. Look at you. Suddenly now we have this situation where Stevie and Joe gonna wear harnesses for what? For rope jumping. I understand there are two levels. This one is the middle height and this one is the top. And the guys took the top one. I'm gonna go over there. This is the height of about 5 floors.
Yeah, I need to pick up your shoe.
And up they go. Alright, let's go, baby. Oh my goodness. No way. That's Stevie right over there. Oh my god. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Woohoo!
No, this guy's holding it.
Woohoo! Done! Joe is over there. Yeah. This one should be Joe right over there. Oh my goodness. Ready for this? 1. Woohoo! Yeah. Spider-Man! Woohoo! How was it, my darling? Share.
The first part was scary, jumping down, but then when it got slower, then not scared.
When it got slower, not so scared. Yeah. Was it super high?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see the whole view.
Wow.
They say it's the highest point.
Hey, congratulations. Woohoo. Oh, the tiger pull up. Hi, mister. How was your jump? Just casually walk past. How was it for you?
Nice, nice. I like the first 3 seconds where you just your balls put in your head.
How's the view?
Very nice.
Yeah?
Very windy.
My darling, I'm so proud of you. You're so brave. Super brave. Do you realize how brave you are?
Ah, this is not
Yes.
easy, no?
Uh-huh. So the gigantic crocodile.
No, up there.
Should be. Yep, let's go. Stevie, I think there's a glitch.
Oh, so cute!
Oh, he's looking at us. Honey bear.
Honey bear.
What do you want?
Wow, look at him. Powerful bear. So the thing is, the tongue is because he eats honey, so he needs the long tongue to be able to dig up the honey from the jar. That's the
jar?
theory. From the jar. From the
honeycomb,
what?
honeycomb, the
From-
bee honeycomb.
Oh, from the bee honeycomb. The jar is in the jar is in the supermarket.
Winnie the Pooh.
This is Malayan tapir. He's eating at the moment. I really like how they did all of this, like bricks and rocks and everything and logs. It's super fun. They definitely put the effort.
Wait, it's all thick
Traffic
water.
jam.
Traffic jam. Super cool. Oh wow. Oh, let's go. Oh, big traffic jam too. All right, we must find this place called Cavern. There is a water filling station and everybody can just come and top up their drinking water for free. Oh wow, we're entering Cavern. Oh, nice. Oh, it's cooling here.
All the way at the end.
Turtle? What is that?
No, it's not. All the way at the end.
Oh, it's crab. Yeah, crab. Some little fish here. Some bigger fishes here. This is quite impressive the way they did it. Of course, this is not real because it takes millions of years to actually develop limestones in the real caves. This is not a real cave, but I have experienced the real thing in Ukrainian Crimea. When I was a child, my parents took me there. And yes, Crimea is Ukraine, just saying. I have to film this top secret. You guys look, this is just a cave, right? But it's cooling inside. The wind is blowing from there. But the way they masked it is like super, super clever. One dangerous prawn. Alright, and this one looks like great opening. Oh, nice. Wow. It's very impressive, really. Ooh. This place is called the Cavern. It's not inside the park, but it's right outside the park. And it's fully booked, so we are not eating here tonight. The guys are at the souvenir shop and I'm gonna get myself another cup of coffee. And this concludes our afternoon trip to a newly opened Rainforest Wild Asia. I guess what I want to say is that this is an amazing place to visit. I'm very proud of Singapore. Definitely, I would say food court also could have done better because the food was not even available. There were like only a few options available because they are sold out. I guess maybe they didn't realize that there will be so many people, so many orders. I get it. And also the price, $17.90 for a chicken rice. Personally, I hope they will reduce that price. But other than that, just walking around, the canopy walks, you know, the rope jump. We have seen a couple of animals. Not many, maybe not all of them arrived yet. My coffee is right over here. $4.50, not bad. That was our trip. Till the next time, subscribe. This is why I cannot leave Joe unattended.
I just got paid. I don't care.
Alright. Wow, it's very cozy. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay.